Good morning, everyone. These are four members in our team. Now we start our presentation. Driving efficiency globally, lean production in DHL service operations. These are the table of contents and historical. First, we start with the historical review of lean production. Lean is a mindset, not just a method. It's about doing more with less by cutting the culture. टाइमर नहीं लगाया पता नहीं चलेगा और ठीक है 1 2 3 Good morning, everyone. These are the four members in our team. This is my presentation. Driving efficiency globally, lean production in DHL service operations. So these are the table of contents. Now we move forward with the first slide, historical review of lean production. According to Womack and Jones, lean is a mindset, not just a method. It's about doing more with less by cutting the end culture, focusing on value and letting continuous improvement lead the way. But we understand how and why lean was born. So lean was originated in post World War II in Japan, mainly from the Toyota production system. Japan faced limited resource and needed to compete with larger Western companies. Toyota focused on eliminating waste, improving efficiency, and ensuring quality, inspired by Henry Ford assembly line and American supermarket restocking method, which is just in time. Lean became a smarter and more flexible approach to manufacturing. Why lean was developed? Because over time, as technology advanced and customer demands changed, lean adapted, helping organization become more efficient and focused on continuous improvement. As global competition increased, business needed to stay efficient and innovative. So lean has expanded beyond manufacturing into healthcare services and software development. Uh, so now we talk about why it still matters today. So the lean is more relevant than ever today because it helps business reduce waste, deliver more value to customer, and stay resilient in a fast-changing dynamic world. So works in all industry, big or small, making organization more competitive. So now we talk about types of lean: Muda, Mura, Muri. Muda means waste, Mura means unevenness, and Muri means overburden. So Muda means waste, any activity that does not add value to the product or services, for example, including waiting time, excess inventory, defects, and unnecessary motion. So identify and eliminate Muda to improve efficiency and reduce waste. If we talk about Mura, unevenness or inconsistency is in process or workloads. Muri means overburdening people or machine, pushing them beyond their capacity. This leads to stress, breakdowns, and mistakes, and even burnout. Now we talk about the seven types of waste lean, Muda. Transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. So if we talk about transportation, unnecessary movements of materials or products between processes. Inventory means storing more materials or products than needed. Motion means unnecessary movements by workers like reaching, walking, or searching. Waiting means idle time means people, machine, or products are waiting for the next step. Overproduction means making more than needed or too soon. Overprocessing, doing more work than necessary. You're using complex tools when simpler ones will do. Defects means error or any kind of customer dissatisfaction. Now we talk about the DHL impact of lean adoption on the environmental DHL case. About DHL, DHL founded in 1969 in San Francisco by Dasley, Himblo, and Lane. And now it have a headquarter in Germany. It provide their services across 220 countries and territories. So they majorly do express, global forwarding, and freight services, supply chain, e-commerce, post and parcels in Germany locally. It have 16,000 warehouse across 50 plus countries. So now we talk about the how DHL use lean. So standardized process means DHL creates consistent procedures across location to ensure high quality service and reduce variation. Route optimization, like advanced route planning tools reduce delivery times, fuel consumption, and carbon emission. Waste elimination, DHL targets seven type of waste like waiting, motion, overprocessing, and streamline processes. Continuous improvement, just in time, like reduce shortage, reduce storage cost, and keep supply chain flexible and delivering goods only when it's needed. Digitalization, optimization, and visual management. Digitalization, optimization means AI. Visualization management, 5 S's, which is sorting, uh, sort in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. These are the environmental benefits of lean, like less waste means by cutting our unnecessary steps and materials, lean produce overall waste. Fuel and energy efficiency, paperless process, efficient transport. Now from this, my friend will hand over.
Hello friends, myself Harshvardhan Thakre and I'm here to talk about phase rollout and value stream mapping in lean practices. First, we'll talk about phase rollout. To ensure successful lean adaptation, DHL should begin with phase rollout. This means starting with the pilot project in major hubs like USA and China. These pilots have already shown impressive results such as 25% improvement in warehouse efficiency and 20 to 30% faster processing times. A phased approach reduces risk, allows early learning, and helps refine process before scaling globally. Now we'll talk about stream mapping. DHL should also utilize value stream mapping or VSM to identify waste in process like order fulfillment and reverse logistics. For example, in e-commerce operation, DHL used VSM to cut return turnaround time by 40%. Mapping highlighted unnecessary touch points and delays, which were then eliminated to streamline operations. Next slide. Now we'll talk about empowering employees and fostering Kaizen's culture. Employee empowerment is crucial. DHL's global workforce of over 6 lakh must be actively involved in lean transformation. Through its certified training programs, more than 60,000 employees have already been trained in USA and Six Sigma. Kaizen culture continues small improvement led to 12 to 15% productive gains in facilities like Singapore and UK. Next slide. Now we'll talk about integrating lean with digital innovation. As we all know that today's era is full of digitalization. So DHL should integrate lean with digital innovation like IoT and AI. Their smart sensor platform, for instance, monitors sensitive shipments and reduce spoilage by up to 50%. AI tools like Resilience 360 help anticipate disruption and have already cut delays by 30%. These technologies amplify lean efficiency. Now we'll talk about align lean with strategic goals. Finally, lean must be tied to DHL's sustainability and customer service goals, not just cost cutting. Under Strategy 2025, DHL aimed to reduce carbon dioxide emission below 29 million tons by 2030. Lean support this by reducing unnecessary shipment, optimizing fuel usage, and minimizing package waste, making operation greener and more customer centric. Now, my friend Sonit will take over from here.
Hi, I'm Sonit, and I'll be talking about the SWOT analysis and threat mitigation of DHL, a leading global logistics provider, and how it manages its risks using lean principles. So, starting with strengths, DHL operates in over 220 countries and territories, giving it unmatched global reach and a strong network advantage. The scale helps streamline international logistics, reduce lead times, and meet customer demands efficiently. Another core strength is DHL's commitment to innovation. The company has invested heavily in digital transformation using drones for deliveries, AI for logistics forecasting, and smart warehousing to boost productivity. DHL also benefits from a deeply embedded lean culture, where they emphasize on operational excellence through continuous improvement aligns, which perfectly aligns with lean principles, enabling them to deliver consistent quality while reducing waste. On the downside, DHL faces high sensitivity to fluctuating fuel and transport costs, and industry wide weakness, but particularly relevant for a logistics giant with vast transportation needs. In terms of opportunities, the rise of green logistics is a major growth area. DHL's Go Green strategy directly complements lean principles, both aim to cut waste, whether in materials or emissions. The rapid growth of e-commerce is another major opportunity. With higher delivery volumes and complex last mile operations, DHL can apply lean thinking to improve efficiency, reduce delivery errors, and enhance customer experience. Also, when it comes to threats, there are some real threats where global supply chain disruptions from pandemics to geopolitical conflicts can destabilize operations. Lean systems, if not resilient, can become fragile under such shocks. Now, I'll be talking about the threat mitigation. So, how can DHL mitigate these risks and even turn them into opportunities? First, next slide. First, by implementing structured change management frameworks like Kotter's 8-step model, DHL can build a stronger lean mindset across all levels. Recognizing and rewarding lean behaviors, offering targeted training, and involving employees in decision making are key to overcoming internal resistance. Secondly, investing in AI-driven demand forecasting helps makes the lean system more responsive and predictive. With tools that can anticipate supply chain shocks or demand fluctuations, can proactively help DHL adjust operations and reduce the risk of disruption. Next, Bharat will be continuing.
Slide change. I'm here to discuss the suitable strategy for lean implementation in a DHL. Integration of automatic and technology is the best strategy for the implementation of lean at DHL. AI and advanced automation supported boosting productivity through unloading and dispalleting and driving continuous improvement. The implementing of automation and robotics within logistic activities facilitates third-party logistic service provider with the rapid logistic and error-free services. And these issues might be encountered during the learn implementation within a DHL. The company might face the issue of top management support, the lack of technical knowledge. The lack of technical skills and knowledge might create a barrier to the proper implementation of a lean within the DHL. Moreover, the lack of commitment from the top management and middle management support can create obstacles to lean adoption. The resistance from the employees to adopting a new lean philosophy, as individual believes that it is a complex to adopt lean. And this slide is about the effective mitigation strategies, which might help to overcome the identified problems and ways this issue can be mitigated. The issue of management support can be addressed by conducting one sessions and workshop that would educate them based on the lean methodologies, principles, and present benefits of the lean implementation of the DHL in order to overcome the issue of the employee resistance through make employees aware of the emerging new opportunities at DHL by applying lean logistic. In this case, training for the respective employees is to be given to improve their skills and adaptation ability. Moreover, the development of lean expertise requirements, coaching, hands-on learning that can be achieved through conducting tool-specific training like particular learn tools, namely standardized work and 5 years lean production will be help in this analysis. Thank you. Next slide will be telling my friend.
So now I'll be talking about the key summaries of lean production at DHL. So lean production, originally developed by Toyota, is all about maximizing value by eliminating waste. It's not just a process, it's a mindset focused on continuous improvement. At DHL, the global leader in logistics, lean has been successfully integrated across warehousing, delivery, and supply chain operations. This includes tools like 5S for workplace organization, Kaizen for ongoing improvements, route optimization, and digital automation, all working together to boost efficiency. But lean at DHL isn't only about operational gains, it's also delivering environmental benefits. By reducing waste and streamlining process, DHL has cut down on fuel usage, improved space utilization, and significantly lowered carbon emissions, aligning perfectly with the company's sustainability goals. Undeniably, the journey hasn't been without challenges. DHL has faced hurdles such as employee resistance, technology gaps, and inconsistencies across regions. However, these are being tackled through comprehensive employee training, strong leadership commitment, and adapting lean practices locally while staying aligned with global standards. To conclude, DHL's lean journey proves that operational excellence and sustainability are not trade-offs, but partners. By combining lean principles with digital innovation and a people-first mindset, DHL has created a model for efficient, resilient, and environmentally responsible logistics. Lean is more than a method at DHL, it's a mindset that continues to shape the future of global service operations. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So bro, what you have to do is now you have to cut them and add them.